Hi guys, welcome to Danilo Gampon channel again. Here in Brusco Gym, everybody is very busy doing their workout routine. This back exercise. There is tricep exercise. Oh, pasok. Oh, ang dami nila oh. Pasok. Welcome to Brusco Gym. Oh, pasok. There is tricep exercise. Workout. Vlog ako, nakatunga sila. Tricep exercise. By Nile, Irwin. Very busy. Back exercise. Alam niyo na gagawin niyo, no? Tinuturuan ko guys. Alam na nila ang gagawin nila, naturuan ko na sila. Bibidyo ako, long video. Makakarating sa YouTube. Tapos ka na? Oo pala. The back exercise by Rachel. Back exercise by Lito. Tulungan niyo si si Vanessa. Buhatin niyo. Rods, anong gagawin mo, Rods?
Tapos na ako tayo.
Tapos na? Kaya pa? Tapos na talaga? Tayo sa labas. There is an extension area here.
Parada tayo.
Oo nga. Just exercise. Dalawang kamay, pwede. Dalawang kamay. Dalawang kamay. Oh. Go. Oh. Just exercise. Aaron.
Pogi na tayo.
Ah, sino? Yan, siyempre. May maingay sa labas. Guys, silitin natin.
Baba tayo.
Mano? Mano? Ay, Rowie. Parehas tayo.
Nawala connection ko nun.
Ay, nawala ka na. Guys, this is Rowena. She promised me to hit the gym for a consecutive of 3 months. 3 months? You told me a while ago.
Yeah.
Ah.
I want to break the record.
Oh, breaking the record.
Yeah.
That's good.
I forgot the name of that gym. What's that?
Popular gym?
Popular. Here in Roscoe Gym. That man, I think he is a foreigner.
Foreigner?
Am I right? Or a Filipino that reviews winning of he is already a winner of fitness
Competition?
Yeah. Fitness
Oh, really?
competition.
Oh
I
my
think
God.
Their group named
How old is he?
Kalambakal.
Yeah?
Kalambakal.
How old is he?
I just don't
He-
know how old is he.
He was he's a bodybuilding champion.
Yeah. He told me already. He was told me already that.
The name is Lidon.
Yeah.
I got you. I know Lidon. He is my idol.
Yeah.
He is a bodybuilding champion. I think 2 times bodybuilding champion.
Yes.
Lidon. Hi, Lidon.
So much.
How are you? Rowena, binibida ni Rowena yung pangalan mo dito sa Brusco Gym.
Channel name Rowena.
That she nearly forgot you.
I want to see. I want to meet them personally.
Okay. Are you doing your vlog also?
I am going to do my workout for today. Just more on stretching.
But your cellphone is not ready.
I don't have internet connection, but for now, from now on, I just stay at the loading station. I don't have enough room.
Very noisy here.
Akala ko naman, isang malaking grupo ng ate-ate.
On June 24, I think it is the Calamba Fiesta, June 24. And now is June 18. Maybe this is a preparation for the upcoming fiesta here in Calamba City. That's why
On June 24 because I am expecting
to
witness the parade.
parade.
Right?
Yeah. I thought this is a parade, but
Like a different,
I cannot see anybody, only the drums.
what do we call that? Different groups of dancers, street dancers.
Oh yeah,
That,
yeah, the parade.
so that's why
On-
I'm really excited to witness the fiesta here.
On June 24, you must be here because they will be doing some
Yes,
parade
I
here.
will be here.
for the fiesta.
For me to witness the parade.
And also witness the body competitions which will be held in the plaza on June 30. But it will be held at night, I think so.
Yes. I want to witness the
Yeah. There are two.
competition and parade.
There are two customers of mine here in Brusco Gym who will join the competition.
Who are they?
Bert and Master, the name.
I know him.
Master is Jason
but
Cortesano.
Master, I didn't know him.
Yeah, because you are a regular in Brusco Gym.
Jason. I know Mr. Bert,
Bert.
but
Jason.
him
Yes.
I don't meet him
Mhm.
yet.
Because if he will be here at 6 o'clock, maybe you are not around anymore. He will be here at 6 o'clock.
Because I'm already out of work now.
I
Yes.
see.
That's why if
really?
you will come today
Uh-huh.
at 6 p.m., I will meet him.
For your information, guys, Rowena is the cashier in that grocery over there, 7C. Very near. That's why she's here.
Yes. I
Uh,
am the one of the staff of Saving Save Kalambauan.
Oh.
And I just want to shout out my co-employees
mhm.
to all the branches of Saving Save.
How many branches of 7C?
There are 7 branches of
Seven
Saving
branches?
Save, here in Laguna.
Oh my God, that I don't know. 7C, yeah. In 1 week, I am there inside the 7C buying for my needs.
And groceries.
Okay. Let's go inside the gym. Rowena, come. JB, don't be shy. I know that is for. What are you doing? I think that is a. Oh, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Anybody? 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 Go, go, go. For the sake of my. For the sake of my vlog. Oh, go, go, go. For the sake of my vlog. Go, go, go. Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Oh, don't be shy, don't be shy.
Maraming hapon to, tatay.
Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Hindi nga, nagbibigay si tatay.
Don't be shy, please. Okay, guys. I'm sorry.
Di po
They
talaga
cannot-
ano.
They cannot do it. They are very shy. These boys. Manix is doing the shoulder exercise. Yeah. Ayun na yung pinipilit ko, nagtatrabaho na. Go, go, go! Lawrence! Physical activity increases strength, mobility, flexibility, posture, and overall body condition. Go, go, go! And this is hard Heart is doing the leg exercise. Also her mother there, over there. The name of her mother is Vicky. Oh, Vanessa. Stephanie. Aaron, what are you doing? Texting.
Subscribe na tayo kay tatay.
Oh, mag-subscribe na kayo ha, Danilo Gampong channel. Mawa naman kayo sa channel ko. Very small channel. I want it to grow a little bit.
Lalagyan ako tapos nalagyan dito.
Drinking exercise.
Yung ganan?
Drinking exercise.
Ay, hindi nilagyan?
Okay guys, magpapaalam na po ako. Okay, bye-bye. Rose, bye-bye. Come again. Thank you guys. Nice meeting you again. Till next vlog.